Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in case you haven't heard the news, my GoPro Hero 8 is dead. It died. It finally gave out on me after what? A year and a half? I had that thing for a year and a half, y'all. And that thing did me good. I ain't gonna lie, I grew my whole YouTube channel off my GoPro Hero 8. And now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because it's not effective do I have something else to record with. Because what you gotta realize is I love that GoPro, okay? That GoPro got me through some hard times. That thing was waterproof, y'all. You know, I took that thing to raging rivers and went down the big slide. Come on, man. That thing has sentimental value. You know, I broke the little flap on that GoPro about 8 times. You know how many cases I bought for that GoPro Hero 8? I just bought some attachments. They just came in the mail on Amazon the other day. I'm hot. My GoPro, it got a red light. It got a red LED light on the front. Pretty sure you're familiar with it if you're familiar with the GoPros. It's just stuck on. It don't matter if I take the battery out, if I plug it up to the charger. It does not matter. It just stays on red. And I can't get it to reset. I can't get... The lucky thing is I have my SD card in. I got my SD card out. I got all my footage. So I was good there. But the GoPro is done. And it's outside the warranty too because I had it for almost 2 years now. The GoPro Hero 8, man, is gone. Now, luckily, I got this Galaxy Z Flip 3. That's gonna be my primary recording device now. Cause I don't know what I'm finna do, man. I love that GoPro. I love that GoPro, y'all. Y'all do not realize, cause what you gotta understand is, I had all the attachments. I had the chest attachment. I got the chest thing. You wear it on your chest. I had the head attachment. I bought 2 whole boxes of GoPro attachments from Walmart. This is what you gotta realize right here. I put a lot. It's not only the $300 I paid for the GoPro, right? That's that. But I put probably a whole another $300-400 into it after that. With all the attachments and the extra battery and the... Come on, man. That was my GoPro. And that mug straight gone, y'all. It's straight gone. It was my dash cam. Look. Look. I got attachment right there. One right there. One right there. Man, I love that GoPro. I cannot believe this. That mug is straight gone. My GoPro is straight gone, y'all. Now they do got the GoPro Hero Max. That's that 360 joint. That mug look clean. Damn, this Walmart packed. This Walmart is straight. I'm finna park all the way in the back. Cause what you gotta realize is when it's packed, everybody that don't know how to drive, they try to park in the front. And I know how to drive, but I ain't trying to be around them. They gonna be there hit the whip. I can't have that, man. I cannot have that. My GoPro is gone. My GoPro is gone, y'all. I gotta see about the GoPro Hero Max now. I heard it's on sale, but shit, I'm broke as hell. I ain't got no money for no GoPro Hero Max. And the thing is, it wouldn't even be an issue. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple phones, so I can have the Galaxy Z Flip 3 as my primary recording device, right? I can do that. But I got my Doordash on there. I like to run Doordash on the Z Flip, because it's fly. I gotta just record with the Z Flip, and that's cool, I guess. Damn, man, I liked it to show the, you know what I'm saying, flip the Z Flip open, boom, show the phone like, bow. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta figure something else out, man. See, that's the thing, man. See, this is what you don't realize, man. When you sitting up there and you got a GoPro, that thing overheats. That thing probably got hot as hell. I left my headlights on, man. Look at this. I don't know what's going on. That thing, the GoPro probably overheated too many times, because you know the GoPro, they glitch out. You know what I'm saying? They mess up. But that mug probably overheated on me. That's probably where I messed up at.